Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ender IT. In today's video, I'll guide you through enabling or disabling the double tap feature to turn on your screen. This feature allows you to wake up your phone by simply double tapping the screen when it's off. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's get into the method. To get started, open your Settings app. Scroll down until you find Advanced Features and tap on it. Next, select Motions and Gestures, where you'll see the double tap to turn on screen option. If you want to enable it, just toggle the switch to the right, and you're all set. It's a quick and handy feature that makes using your phone even more convenient. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.